Here we have a box, and inside it, some text. When I decrease its width, this love text converts to a heart. And when I increase it, it shows the same love text again. So, let's look at how to create this effect. In HTML, I've taken a container. Inside it, an h2 tag with some text, a font awesome heart icon, and a love text. In CSS, we've added some basic styling. Inside this container class, we'll write container type inline size. This tells the parent element, start tracking your own size so your children can query it. Now, at the bottom, we'll write @container. It takes a condition, like if max width is 260 pixels. We'll show our heart icon. Let's check, but it's not working. So, we'll also apply display none to the love text class along with heart class. Now, we'll duplicate this container, give it a min width of 261 pixels, remove the heart class, and write the love text class instead. Let's check again, and it's working perfectly. Now, I'll add a little pop-up animation. For that, I'll write a keyframe animation called pop. At 0%, we give transform scale 0. At 60%, transform scale 1.3. And at 100%, transform scale 1. Now, inside love text, we'll write animation pop 0.3 seconds ease out, and we'll give the same animation to the heart icon. Now it's ready. Let's check, and boom. It's showing the heart icon when the width is small, and it shows the love text when the width is large. Follow for more tutorials like this.